Having personally encountered frustrating system slowdowns and excessive memory from Copilot, I found reliable ways to fix these performance problems. I'm ready to share these proven strategies to get your PC back up to speed. First, adjusting Copilot's settings directly reduces its active presence. By disabling background features, we stop it from constantly grabbing RAM, which immediately cuts down on system lag. This limits Copilot's resource hogging. Next, keeping Windows and your device drivers updated is key. Old software causes apps like Copilot to use too much memory. Updates bring fixes and improvements, ensuring smooth operation and preventing unnecessary RAM spikes. Third, managing background applications is crucial. Many programs, including Copilot, silently consume valuable RAM. By controlling which apps run in the background, you free up significant memory. This directly tackles high RAM usage, letting your PC focus. Finally, running a system file checker scan helps if Windows files are damaged. Corrupted files make programs behave poorly. Repairing these core system files creates a stable environment, which is essential to fix high RAM usage and lag caused by Copilot in Windows 11.